Welcome to our vlog. Today we are diving an exciting topic, integration of information and communication technology or ICT in education. As technology continues to evolve, it transforms the way we teach and learn, opening up new avenues for engagement and understanding. Join us as we explore the benefits, challenges, and innovative tools that are shaping the future of education. Whether you are an educator, a student, or simply curious about the role of technology in learning, there is something here for everyone. Let's get started.
Question number 1. How has ICT impacted your teaching practices and methods?
Okay, so ICT has a big impact on my teaching practices. Actually, it made my classroom more engaging, especially in my end and also for my students. Even though, in our island, we don't have a very strong internet connectivity, right? So we cannot avoid using conventional tools, especially those traditional tools. That of course, we should use technology in our classroom since we have 21st century learners. And through those technological tools, I will make my lesson more engaging, effective, fun, and it's easier for my end as well as a teacher.
Question number 2. What ICT tools or resources have you found most useful?
So far, the most useful tools I've used, currently I'm using Google Drive, Google Docs, Google Classroom, PowerPoint presentations of course, YouTube, video conferencing such as Google Meet, Zoom meetings. I even use Microsoft Teams, and then I also use software, especially those Kahoot, but sometimes, because as I've said earlier, we don't have a strong internet connectivity here at the island. So that's it.
Question number 3. Can you share a success story about how ICT improved student learning outcomes?
So a successful story with the use of digital resources. As what I have said earlier, we don't have a strong internet connectivity. However, that's not a hindrance for me to not incorporate digital tools. So since I really like to integrate game-based learning in my instruction digitally, so what I did, I created a PowerPoint presentation that can be accessed offline. And with that, I used to have games, like what we did, yung Family Feud. I also had a Squid Game inspired from that movie, where they will choose the correct answer. So to name a few of those games. So I think with that game-based activity digitally, I let them more active. The lesson is more interactive, fun, engaging, and effective at the same time. So I could consider it successful.
Question number 4. What types of digital resources do UISE to support teaching and learning?
So the digital resources, that's what I've mentioned earlier. I've been using Google Drive, Google Docs, Google Classroom, YouTube, Microsoft Teams, Canva, of course, and then the digital resources or instructional materials such as projector, of course, laptop, television if there is television in the room, and then cell phone if I let my students do some research. Also my lapel, mahiwagang lapel. Of course, to support the quality of my voice during my discussion.
Question number 5. How has ICT enhanced student understanding and retention of complex concepts?
So, how can ICT enhance the understanding and retention of my students even though the course or the topic is very complex? For example, what subject? English grammar. English grammar is not really easy, right? So it's a complex topic. So to make it easier for the end, to make it easier for it to comprehend for my students, what I did, since wording yung grammar, so word, I will not bombard them with words. Okay, what I did, I downloaded videos to support my discussion. I had infographic, game-based, even digital, and then interactive activities. And then one more thing, digitally supported instruction. Television, projector, and for them, they will not be feel bombarded with words. Rather, they will feel that it's easier to comprehend grammar through digital resources, through technological tools to assist my discussion. Okay. So again, even though grammar is not complex, it's so complex rather, they will comprehend it easier for them. And then even dili na it's not only for the grammar subjects but also for other courses that I'm teaching right now. So I'm also using technology tools. Okay, standard.
The benefit of ICT in education is to enhance the students' collaboration and communication. It also helps the students' motivation and accessibility.
ICT in education improves teaching and learning in many ways through interactive materials, cater to individual student needs, and additionally, personalized education.
ICT in education empowers learners, enhances teaching, and transforms the learning experience by providing unparalleled access to information, facilitating collaboration, and fostering creativity, critical thinking, and digital citizenship skills.
ICT has transformed education, making it more interactive, personalized, and accessible. By fostering collaboration, supporting teachers, and building digital skills, ICT enriches learning and bridges educational gaps, preparing the students for a more inclusive and future-ready world.